Welcome to the Hartford Boat Show 2019. This is the 50th anniversary year being held at Mohegan Sun Casino. My name is Keith Abel and I work for MarineMax. Today I'm going to take you through the 220 Sailfish. These boats are built down in Georgia. They've been building boats for over 30 years. This boat is powered with a single 150 Yamaha 4-stroke. Absolutely beautiful fit and finish, great performance. It's fun for fishing, cruising, and water sports. Here's a nice little ski pylon for doing your water activities. You do have a freshwater shower for when you get out of the water to rinse off. A nice live well, plenty of seating, a beautiful dash that boasts a beautiful Garmin GPS chart plotter fish finder, VHF radio, and Fusion stereo. As we move forward to the bow of the boat, we have the optional bow table, backrest, bow cushions, pop-up cleats, pop-up nav lights, and also some additional seating right in front of the helm. This boat does have an optional porta potty that will fit right in there. Plenty of storage. For more information on the 220 Sailfish, please call Keith Abel at 203-996-2599. Thank you and see you on the water.